Editor 2024. The most powerful editor in the world. First, I will teach you how to edit photos, and then I will teach you how to make 8K, 4K, 3D photos, how to make a logo, and how to convert text into photos. Hello to my genius and flower friends. Welcome to Editor Girlich channel. It is not a coincidence that you chose me, because nothing happens. I will teach you the easiest way to edit photos without any skills. You just need to pay attention. Well, let's start. Open the picsart program. On the very first page, you will be offered some edits. You can choose one of these suggested edits. And you can also search the edit page you want from the search section above. For example, scary edit, YouTube edit, Instagram edit. Well, I have already selected the edits and saved them in the saved section. You can do the same thing, after you have chosen the edit you want. Now do the things that I do in order and edit to your taste as simply and in 5 minutes. If you have any questions or need help, comment. I will surely answer you, dear ones.
Listen, little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Listen, little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside. Fewer late nights cause nobody seems to make the time. And I don't know how to do this right. No, I don't know how the years gone by. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. Every now and again I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. It's all that I needed. I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. To move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. How the years go by, searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. A little less 25. A little less. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 20. A little less 25.
Thank you very much to my flower friends who were with me until the end of this video. Write me your comments, and if you like the tutorial, leave a comment so that I can teach you. Every day I am the guest of your hearts with a tutorial video. Stars are not born, they are made.